What do you need to know about starting a painting business? By Businessmancom. A few years back, I created a video called 7 Painting Business Tips Every House Painting Contractor Needs to Know. These are 7 basic tips you want to know, and they are mandatory if you want to make good money. You see, in the beginning, I always lost money on larger jobs, and I have seen other new painters do the same. So one of the first things you want to know is how to estimate all your jobs correctly. Whether interior or exterior, for residential, commercial, industrial, new construction, etc., you need to know how to estimate your jobs. Another problem I had was when business would slow down during the holidays. I finally found a solution to this too. Most new painters go out of business within their first 3 to 6 months because they don't know all the secrets of staying busy painting and doing it at a profit. And so they don't take their painting business serious. They count it as a poor man's way to make money, when in all reality it is a business vehicle that can make you a millionaire. Visit paintingbusinessman.com if you would like more information, or see my live link below where it says show more. My video 7 painting business tips every house painting contractor needs to know can be found at paintingbusinessman.com as well. Please subscribe to my channel and even click the little bell for new videos.